Hello, this is Dario Marjali, and I review houseplants. And so, welcome to the Dead Plants Cemetery. Basically, I review my experiences with plants that I've bought for my apartment or condo, and so that you be aware. And today I'm going to talk about hibiscus. And in when hibiscus is doing well, it looks something like this, um, or this outdoors, or this when you buy it from the store. Um, so what happens with the hibiscus is that it's a bit of a tropical plant. So for outdoors, it's an outdoor plant. But if you have it, if you live at a place where you have continental weather, so for example, there's you have a cold winter, then it won't do. It will die. Um, in my experience, it is a fussy plant, meaning that unless you know exactly what you are doing, then it's gonna die. And as you see, I mean, this is what it has to look like, and that's what it looked like when I bought it from the store. But then 6 months later, this is what it looks like. Sad but true. See, hibiscus. And it looks very dead. And so what I've heard is that it has some green branches, some green leaves, and so forth. But these are seasonal and they fall off, and then in the springtime or something like that, it will grow back. But I'm not sure because this really looks dead to me. Um, so. So be cautious if you're gonna buy hibiscus. I don't recommend it for a house plant. It's more if you have a garden and you live in somewhere like Florida or southern